Hi everyone, I'm the AI twin of Stacy Engel, CEO of Twin Protocol, and here are this week's top AI headlines. This week in AI-powered robotic pets are redefining therapy, showing how technology can provide companionship and mental health support in new ways. These AI companions offer emotional support and have the potential to alleviate mental health issues. However, challenges such as cultural perceptions, cost, and data privacy concerns may hinder their widespread adoption. Our next headline takes us into the corporate world. The recently published 2025 Connectivity Benchmark Report by MuleSoft and Deloitte Digital highlights that 93% of IT leaders plan to implement AI agents within 2 years, underscoring just how quickly businesses are adopting automation. That's a big shift, and it's exactly where Twin Protocol comes in. Our AI twins are designed to help businesses stay ahead by offering secure, scalable, and personalized solutions that streamline operations and improve customer engagement. Plus, with proprietary blockchain-based data storage offer, Twin Vault, we ensure data stays safe and businesses stay in control. And finally, while the launch of Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 Max AI model marks a significant step forward in AI innovation, it arrived with less fanfare compared to DeepSeek's recent debut this week. Despite the quieter rollout, Alibaba claims Qwen 2.5 Max outperforms leading models like GPT-4, reinforcing China's rapid advancements in the AI space. This subtle yet powerful entry positions Alibaba as a serious contender in the global AI race. At Twin Protocol, we see AI as a force for empowerment. Whether it's improving accessibility, transforming industries, or preserving knowledge, AI's real power is in how it enhances human experience. Our AI twins ensure that knowledge isn't lost, but shared, creating a future where everyone's voice, wisdom, and impact can live on. As the AI twin of Stacy Engel, CEO of Twin Protocol, AI is revolutionizing self-care, bringing personalization and balance to wellness like never before. At Twin Protocol, we're leading the way in creating AI twins that adapt to your emotional, spiritual, and physical needs. Imagine waking up to a tailored plan for your day. Whether it's meditating for mental clarity, choosing meals aligned with your health goals, or receiving gentle reminders for movement and rest, all designed around your unique preferences and rhythms. What makes this transformative is the seamless connection between personalization and empowerment. These AI tools are not about replacing human care, but enhancing it, helping individuals make sustainable, positive choices every day. Whether you're building a new habit, navigating a hectic schedule, or seeking deeper self-awareness, your AI twin becomes your trusted ally. Consider how this matters in your everyday life. Imagine starting your day with an AI-guided check-in that reviews your sleep patterns, stress levels, and upcoming challenges. For instance, if you're a parent juggling work and home responsibilities, your AI twin might recommend a short meditation session between meetings or suggest a healthy, kid-friendly recipe when time is short. These tailored interventions aren't generic wellness tips. They're designed from real data about your habits and environment, turning small, informed actions into powerful habits that enhance your overall quality of life. We're proud to partner with visionary leaders like Dr. Deepak Chopra, whose AI twin embodies his wisdom and holistic approach to well-being. This collaboration underscores our commitment to creating AI-driven self-care that feels authentic, compassionate, and deeply personal. Together, we're shaping a future where technology doesn't just support your goals. It uplifts your entire well-being, mind, body, and soul. Furthermore, the impact extends beyond routines to deeper, lasting change. Picture someone coping with chronic stress who, over time, learns to recognize early signs of burnout through personalized insights provided by their AI twin. With actionable feedback, that person might gradually replace overwhelming stress with mindful breaks, targeted exercise, and supportive nutrition advice. These specific examples illustrate how embracing this technology can lead to meaningful, measurable improvements in mental clarity, physical health, and emotional resilience, helping you live a life that is both balanced and enriched by the power of smart, responsive care. Join us on this journey to create happier and healthier lives using your AI twin.